Welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, July the 14th. My name's Kat. I've got your astrological spiritual forecast and guidance going from today through Saturday, July the 20th. This week's video is entitled, Risk It for the Biscuit. I crack myself up. The reason for that is I'm thinking about how many weeks we've been talking about this Gemini energy, writing it down. What is our passion? What is it that we love to do? Remember, I'm telling us to journal all of these crazy ideas that we think are crazy, solutions to problems, new ways to do old things, a new career, a new home, all of this stuff. We should have been in the last number of weeks, even though we couldn't manifest it or make it happen, we should have been writing down those ideas. And guess what, folks? This is the week. Risk it for the biscuit. So get that journal out, look at those ideas. This is a week that we're going to make it happen. I mean, we have been waiting. We've been, many of us, making false starts and people coming back and giving us shit about our ideas. This week is different, especially at the beginning of the week. Oh, we do have one major energy shift. We have Mercury moving into Gemini at the end of the week, and this just goes right along with this whole manifesting our dreams, risking it to get the biscuit. Risk it because what we've been planning, what we've been journaling, what we've been pondering is probably not traditional, probably not, it's probably unique and different. So we may feel a little bit scared. We love it, right? We think we have the solution, right? We've tested it out, right? But are we sure? So, the beginning of the week, we can float this idea, this project, this solution, this job, this career, this relocation with our coworkers, our friends and family. It's a great time at the beginning of the week to network, to get others' opinions, to improve or adjust, to, and to get other people's buy-in, to get ownership in it. It's there waiting for us. And all we have to do is take a risk on ourselves. All we have to do is put on our big boy and big girl panties and start doing it. Start doing that passionate thing that we've been dreaming about. Get it out of the box. Take it out of the closet. This is the week. And the cool thing about it is we do feel confident. I mean, we're unsure because it's different. We're unsure because, oh shit, are people going to accept it, right? But we feel confident. We feel sure in what we've got. We're feeling really, and we're embracing it. We have embraced it. Now we got to express it. Now we got to express it. So the beginning of the week is really good. Please take those great ideas we've come up with off the shelf, out of the closet, out of the journal, and let's start making it happen this week. We've got the energetic support to help us manifest this life we've been dreaming of. This is the week to start, if we haven't started already, to make it happen. On Tuesday, we have this lovely trine. It's a water trine with the moon in Scorpio, Saturn, I got Saturn sextile. Oh, Saturn in Pisces, and the sun in Cancer. So it's our feelings. Like I was saying before, we're feeling secure, we're feeling confident. Our intuition is supporting us. We feel good about whatever we've come up with. We feel real good about it. So we're feeling it, we're getting support, we're networking. We could even do some brainstorming with our friends, co-workers, or even some vision boards if we're not quite there yet. But this is the whole beginning of the week, using others, not manipulating them, but using people for their unique qualities and skills to help enhance our own. And it's happening. If we can get out of our fear of being different, if we can feel worthy enough and deserving enough, because we are, you guys, we are all children of God. Every last one of us. Every last one of us has been created for a specific purpose during this life journey of ours. So figure it out and let's get to it. We're in the middle of this huge cyclic shift of 2,500 years, and we're smack dab in the middle of it, creating a new world. So please get out of our fear and our lack and feel confident in who we are. And let's start expressing it, because the world needs us. Take a look. The world needs us real bad right now. So let's get to it this week. Let's start manifesting those ideas, those solutions, those resolutions, those whatever it is. Make it happen. We have the support. We have not only the support of the universe, we have the support of our friends, family, and coworkers. So let's get to it. All that's keeping us from it is, guess what? Guess who? Us. Get out of our own way, moon and Sagittarius.
Is that enough?
We are feeling that confidence. We are ready to expand our lives, to move into to expand more, and to look at new horizons, look at new ideas. We're ready to grow. We're feeling it, and we feel optimistic and confident that we can actually pull this off. So we get that support we get the support of that Sagittarius, that optimism, that expansion. Okay, so it's really good. That helps us really get to manifesting and getting it done this week. And then on Saturday, Mars moves into Gemini. I think I said Mercury earlier. Sorry about that. It's not Mercury, it's Mars moves into Gemini on Saturday. And so our focus becomes trying to understand, trying to communicate these ideas that we have. And we find that it's easier to communicate what we have up in our minds and communicate it and manifest it. We can talk about it. We can talk about it in a practical manner. And we really, with Mars, we really want people to get it. We really want people to understand what a great idea that we have. Now, here is the negative side of that energy. With that Gemini energy and Mars in there saying we really want to understand it, sometimes we tend to kind of change the facts, move some of the pieces around to make our story better. Please be aware of that. Our story is good in and of its own. If it doesn't feel good, we're missing something, so we need to go back and look and see what we're missing. This is not the time to make shit up just so we look good, just so our idea or project or strategy looks good, and we can get ownership of it. And we may tend to do that. We may tend to bend the facts a little bit. You know, we might come up, Sagittarius, while we're feeling all optimistic and stuff, Sagittarius has a tendency to embellish. So we'll have that energy there, kind of saying, "Oh, come on, it wasn't 5, it was 9." Something like that. So watch it. Watch our words, speak our truth. Don't start screwing with the facts. Don't start embellishing or lying. Don't do it. That will screw everything up. That will screw up the entire energy of manifesting and really mess us up. So stick to our truth. Take a deep breath. Have the confidence to express what we think is the life of our dreams and how we're going to attain it. And also on Saturday, of course, is date night. So we're going to want to, so Mars is going into the planet of ruled by Mercury. Mars is going into the sign Gemini, ruled by Mercury. So we want our partner to get it too. We want our friends and family to get it too. We want to communicate with them. We want them to understand our feelings, where we're coming from, and we kind of have the ability to do that. So if we need to have a conversation, we need to address some issues with our partner, our family, or friends, we have the energy support to really, if we can stick to the facts, no embellishment, we have the opportunity to really get to the bottom of an issue and come to a resolution because we're able to express ourselves effectively. So then we can go out and have a great date night. Also, we have some wonderful Piscean energy on Saturday, along with Mars and Taurus. And so Saturday, look for some revelations, some aha moments as to how we're going to accomplish manifesting our dreams. Because on Saturday, we might be able to see exactly how we can make this happen. Our dreams are ready to come true. All we have to do is the work. We have to risk it for the biscuit. So that is the week ahead. Put on our big boy, big girl panties. Put our shoulders back, chest out, right? Have the confidence, feel good, and go for it. Go for what we've been dreaming about. It's our turn. This is our chance. And then on Saturday, remember to honor each other. If we need to work out any issues, we'll be able to understand each other very well. So any kind of discussion can be effective if we remain honoring of the other and sensitive. And then we can go on and have a great date night. So, good week ahead. I'm so excited. It's like we've been working and writing down and journaling. This is the week. Make it happen. Take the risk. Let's start the week as we always do. We got a lot to do this week by becoming balanced, aligned, connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. And then we'll say our Sun in Cancer affirmation. Let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Now, let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Let's take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. we see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. We see it all flowing away. And in its place, we see this beautiful white light filling our bodies. I like to look at it as all these little beautiful triangles just filling my body. And not only does this light fill our entire body, it is also protecting us. It's deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light, connected to our higher selves, we will now say our Sun and Cancer affirmation. As above, so below. I hold the entire universe within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. Let's say the affirmation will stay in this space of white light, connected with our higher selves for just 5 seconds. Let's say it together. As above, so below. I hold the entire universe within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. What an awesome affirmation for this week. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's all happening from the inside out. And this week, we get to bring the inside and manifest it in the outer world. It is so awesome to watch our power work, how it works, and how we are co-creators. This is our chance this week. Don't lose the opportunity by being scared on the couch of being who we truly are. Don't come out, risk it for the biscuit. So, come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages and my whimsical, beautiful, thought-provoking memes. Remember to take the keynote of the Soul Sister channel with you, especially this week, because you know, guys, it isn't happening out there. I gotta tell you, here's a little secret. Out there is just a reflection of what's going on in here. So if we want to change out there, we got to start right here. And that is not only on an individual basis, but it is on a global basis as well. It doesn't happen out there. It has to start right here. And during this huge cyclic change, this is where we have to come from to be successful in the coming years, inside out. All right, make it a great week. Risk it for the biscuit. And remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. I kind of just said it. And have a wonderful week. Namaste.